First we have the cold start video. The engine is cold and now we start the engine. Switch on. Oil pressure is coming. Choke a bit down. Revolutions, 40 psi. Okay, now we start a driving video after this.